Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 keeps crashing with disk errors, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to a failing hard drive or corrupted data, which can lead to loss of important files if not addressed promptly. Ignoring these symptoms may result in more severe problems down the line, so it's essential to take action. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a replacement hard drive, and a plastic spudger. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Next, remove the screws from the back panel of your Acer N19H2 using your Phillips screwdriver. Be gentle when prying open the panel with the spudger, as you don't want to damage the clips holding it in place. Once open, locate the hard drive. It's typically situated near the center of the device. Carefully disconnect the cables attached to the hard drive. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cables are disconnected, you will need to remove any screws securing the hard drive in place. Keep track of these screws, as you'll need them for the new drive. Gently pull the hard drive out of its slot, taking care not to disturb any nearby components. Now, take your replacement hard drive and slide it into the slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables securely, making sure they are not loose. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure the new hard drive in place. Before closing up your device, double-check that all connections are solid and there are no stray cables obstructing anything. Carefully replace the back panel, pressing down until you hear it click into place. Finish by tightening all the screws you removed earlier. Now, power on your Acer N19H2 and check if the disk issues have been resolved. If your device is running smoothly, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent similar issues in the future, consider regularly backing up your data and running diagnostic checks on your hard drive. This will help you catch any potential problems early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.